Hey guys, today we are doing the unboxing of the Quiet Control 30 or QC30 from Bose. The Bose QC30 comes in a very nice premium package. They cost $29. They are pricey, but you get what you paid for. The material they used, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's high quality materials, and that mean to last for a long time. Okay, let's start unboxing. Let's see what's in the box. Here you have the logo of Bose. Is how they look like when you wear them. They look pretty cool. So in the box you have the Quiet Control 30 wireless headphones. Very lightweight. You have a carrying case. It has the Bose logo here, zipper. It feels fancy and sturdy to protect the earphones when you put them in your bag. You have two extra sizes, small and large, and the one that comes already on the earphone, they are medium size. So it depends in the shape and the size of your ear. You can customize them. There's a USB charging cable. It's like over here where you can plug them. All right, see, let me see, it's kind of tricky. All right, and then boom, you can plug them to charge. This is the power on and off button. This is a Bluetooth indicator and battery indicator. And when this in green light, that means the battery is fully charged. When it's red, it means like it's still charging or the battery need to be charged. The neckband design has a lightweight. It's insignificant. It's like an insignificant weight, and it's so comfortable. I'm satisfied with the fit of the medium tips. I didn't try the other tips. And when I put this neckband around my neck, I absolutely feel like I'm not wearing anything. They're like super comfortable, and I wear them for long hours. Didn't feel like I'm wearing anything. The controls. So it has here in the inside of the on the neckband, the right side, there is a small control that contains this power on and off button, and you can use this button to pair the earphone to your mobile or any other device, to pair it using Bluetooth or NFC. This control has like 3 buttons: volume, ups and down, pause, you can pause play from this middle button. You can use next and previous track to fast forward and rewind. There's other 2 buttons in here, those to control the noise cancellation, which is a cool extra feature that Bose added to this earphone. The noise cancellation of Bose is great. Like, Bose is well known for the quality of their noise cancellation. For this earphone, it has a unique system that Bose has employed. Because of the variable control, you can control the level of the noise cancellation from the Bose app. Other thing, you can use the noise cancelling without listening to music. I live in New York and I'm taking the subway on a daily basis, and the noise cancelling masks most of the loud noises when I'm at the train or walking in a busy street. In the Bose app, you can check the level of the battery or the devices that are connected as well. You can check other settings and tips how to use your headphones when you are checking the app. The sound quality. Let's talk about the sound quality of those earphones. The sound quality is quite good and clear. The bass sounds great. I'm not a bass expert or a music expert, but the bass sounds really good. In all levels of the volume, the QC30 delivers high quality, clear sound. I really enjoyed the music. All kind of music, from classical to hip hop to podcasts. I use them a lot, like listening to podcasts. The QC30 does not require an in-ear insertion. These tips are really comfortable with a unique rotate into place feature that holds them tight into your ears. They don't move, like they don't fall off your ear. They are super comfortable. And you have options. I mean, like, you can use other tip sizes, like small or large, depends on the shape of your ear. The QC30 has a built-in microphone. You can use it for phone calls. This button in this remote let you accept phone calls. I have tried the QC30 in the gym as well, and it worked fine. I used them in the cardio machine and lifting weight. The neck collar would move slightly, so you had to adjust it. I had to adjust it like multiple times. Like, it will move a little bit around your neck, so it won't like stay stable sometimes. So you have to adjust it a couple of times. But they did not fall off of my neck. Bose did not advertise the QC30 as a sweat or weatherproof, but I think they can work. You can use them for working out at the gym. Regarding the quality of the phone calls, when I'm indoors, the earphones works amazing all the time. The only issue I had with them is sometimes when I'm outside in a busy and noisy street or windy weather, talking on the phone, I can hear, other people great, especially when the noise canceling is fully active. But the mic, sorry, but the mic picks up all sorts of background noise that makes it impossible for people on the line to hear me. I have had to disconnect the headphones in order to continue clearly the phone calls. Other specs about those earphones is the Bluetooth range. It has 33 feet range. It's about 10 meters. The battery charging time, Bose said it can be recharged less than 3 hours, but I tested. They can be charged like 2 hours, 2 hours 15 minutes. The battery life, Bose said it's up to 10 hours per full charge. For me, because I use them in phone calls, listening to music, sometimes just using the noise cancellation by itself. So they lasted for me like from 8 to 10 hours, which is like pretty good, for the size of this earphone. Like sometimes I would not charge them for like 2 days, and I've been using them for like a week now since I bought them. So that's it, guys. Those are the Bose QC30. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like for more videos.